Welcome back to the How to Crochet series by Unicorn. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a slip knot and a chain. So you're going to need yarn, and the size depends on your crocheting hook size. My crocheting hook size is 3.5 mm. So I'm going to grab my yarn, wrap it around my two fingers, and on one side there should be an X shape, and on the other side there should be two lines. So now I'm going to grab my crocheting hook, go under the first piece of line of yarn, and then go over and pull through the second line. In order to tighten the slip knot, first you have to pull the shorter end, which will be your tail end, and then you have to pull the longer yarn. Make a chain, you have to take your slip knot, wrap the yarn around your hook. Some people go left, some people go right. So wrap the yarn either left or right and pull your hook through, like this, through the yarn, creating a V shape. And the best part is you can make as many chains as you'd like, and if you want to remove a stitch, just remove the yarn from the hook and then just pull the yarn and then the stitches will get removed. Please subscribe.